Here I will be removing AWS in reverse order. Click on load balancer, find your load balancer, and then you could delete load balancer and have to type confirm to delete. Okay, it's deleted. And next we're gonna go to instances. Where can I find where is instances running? Oh, right there. And I'm gonna type my last name. And these are my running instances. Check them all. And then action, nope, instance state and terminate instance. And it's shutting down. This takes a while. I know because I've done it last semester and it took a while to shut down all the instances. The next security group, type my last name. And these are my servers, security groups. Sorry, not my server, security groups. So, where is delete security? There we go. It's still shutting down. At this point, I won't be able to delete my security groups because instances are still running and shutting down. And once it's terminated and it's shut down, then I could successfully delete the security groups. So yeah, now I'm gonna come back and check on it in a little bit. So yeah, so just gonna wait till all my instances are terminated and come back to it later. That's how you delete the security groups.